Google's DeepMind just dropped a huge paper going into synthetic data. More like fake data. I've never had good luck with synthetic data. Synthetic data's come a long way. It's actually widely used nowadays. I'm a bit skeptical. You have some examples? It was useful to improve math and reasoning by taking the existing data, getting us a synthetic example that goes step by step how to solve the problem. I hated when my teacher made me show my work, but sounds like it's useful for LLMs. Matcha paper used synthetic data to understand charts and plots. They found that the model, in fact, would do really well just trained on synthetic data. There's only a 2% gain when they switched to adding real data. Now that I think of it, a lot of the instruction tuning and alignment data sets, those were all built from questioning LLMs, so essentially synthetic data. Oh yeah, LLMs are so cheap to get thousands of examples with. Any concerns or downsides to using synthetic data? The growth and improvement in quality of synthetic data could lead to more misinformation, more spam. Too much of a reliance on synthetic data for alignment tasks could lead to models not really understanding human behavior. Oh no, our AI overlords won't fully understand us. It can make evaluation decontamination even harder since you never know exactly the origin of the synthetic examples. Who's ever going to trust those leaderboards? Maybe I can get a synthetic data scientist that's a bit more serious.